Recently, a recording featuring Chris Mutsvangwa has stirred controversy in Zimbabwe. In this audio, Mutsvangwa, a member of the ruling party ZANU-PF and a former government minister, makes remarks that appear to undermine the Zimbabwe National Army and question the integrity of the government. His comments have raised concerns about the current state of Zimbabwe politics and the military's role within. Sanapinda mashoko amudanyirwa panapa tinoona kuti aiwa Mutsvangwa okonzeresa patoona kuti aiwa achisheka vakomana the military aiwa pamwe chete aiwa negovernment zvako zvichikwesheniwa kuti Mutsvangwa aimbozama kuti kudii. Sanapinda mashoko amudanyirwa panapa ndoba subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Ndivina ZimI vanobuda vachinyora vachiti. In the recording, Mutsvangwa speaks critically about the ZNA, suggesting that it is not as formidable as it should be. He controversially claims that South African army is the strongest in the region, which many see as a direct insult to the ZNA and those who have served it. This statement is particularly jeering for veterans and active members of the military who have dedicated their lives to serving Zimbabwe. By elevating the capabilities of a foreign military over their own, Mutsvangwa has ignited feelings of humiliation across those who have served the nation faithfully. Moreover, Mutsvangwa's comments about the Vice President of Zimbabwe adds another layer of complexity to the situation. By questioning the leadership within the government, he appears to sow doubt about the current political structure. This kind of rhetoric can destabilize public confidence in governmental institutions, which is particularly dangerous in a nation that has already faced extensive political turmoil. Given the historical context, have often led to unrest. Such comments might exacerbate tensions within the ruling party and the broader political landscape. Ndomasvika mudanyiko panapa tinoona kuti Mutsvangwa panouya aiwa achidzikisira ZNA kana kuti mauto emunyika medu aiwa zvakureza maquestions zvakuti kuti mamwe ma-armed forces anga akanyarara ma-war veterans varise up vaone kuti aiwa mukomana uyu auzama kuti kudii, why is he comparing us nemamwe maneighboring countries. Tudze mafunguro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.